morning. We are doing a really cool run today. Last year we got to do PPC, the coffee morning run, which that video is here. But today, instead of us filming a full feature, we are actually going to be riding all together, and the IS300 is also going to be participating in this run. And it's a ton of our PPC boys running from Calibre all the way to Galena. So it's a big group, and we are already here. And the Miatas are here, a ton of Porsches are here. I've never run to Galena before, so, and the IS300 obviously has never run to Galena before. I am not gonna be filming a ton. I am gonna have a GoPro on though, so that's gonna be something you guys get to see. But I just kind of want to walk around the rest of the cars real quick because there's a lot here. It's been a while since PPC, like the full group has been together, and there's probably about, I think, over 100 members now. But we've got a really stacked group here today.
19 cars, all right, and I divided it in 3 groups, but stay with your pack. 2 to 3 car lengths in front of you, just be aware.
Speed limiter set at 120. Just kidding.
Just kidding. All right, we have lunch at 11. I have a reservation. We have the whole restaurant to ourselves. So they're not like, oh, it's 11:30 and you're not there yet. I said meals up at 10, so everybody's getting ready. Wow, top down, topless. You have to. Topless.
I was gonna. I wanted to bring the convertible, but it's in the Barnable. I didn't trust the weather enough. No.
God. This is so exciting. drive safe.
You going to church right now?
Those stairs?
I'll be right here. Are you actually going up those? Oh my god. Oh god. Let's see what's happening.
I hope not. They start circling.
This is like that movie.
Stop.
Dude. They're huge. I don't know how to explain how big that bird is. They're gonna start diving on us, bro.
That's my transmission.
I've not done a very, very good job narrating the vlog at all today, but my camera, sorry, was stuck in the tree. We've done a lot today. It's been a really good run. Unfortunately, we didn't get to stay with the Porsches as much because we ended up taking the wrong exit and then we got stuck. So it's unfortunate we didn't get to shoot them very much. What I did get was okay. I'm not super happy with it, like I want to do more. But since we're all the way out here, anyway, we're just finding random places and doing like a whole photo op. So why not, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more of our adventures, take a look at any of the videos on our channel or subscribe to see more of them because we have a ton coming up. That is it for this week's video. Thank you guys. See you on the other side.